Hi, I am Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. Today we will discuss about how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professionals looking to build their online presence and connect with other industry leaders. However, in order to truly make the most of this platform, you need to be an optimized LinkedIn profile that showcase your skills, experiences, and accomplishments. Here we will discuss some tips and tricks to help you optimize your LinkedIn profile and make the best impression possible. So number one is use a professional photo. A high quality photo of yourself is essential for making a great first impression on LinkedIn. A professional photo can help you stand out and show that you take your online presence seriously. Make sure to dress professionally and choose a background that is clean and simple. And now you can see that my LinkedIn profile image and background image. For example, now you want to change your background and profile image, you just need to click on photo. For example, you want to change your photo, and from here you can edit your photo and you can add more photos, and you can also delete your photo. And if you want to change your background image, you just need to click on this pen. And from here, you can delete your photo, you can change your photo, and when you are satisfied with your photo, you just need to click on apply. And in this way, you can change your LinkedIn profile image and you can change your LinkedIn background image. Step number 2, write a LinkedIn profile headline. Your headline is first thing that people will see when they visit your profile. So it's important to make a strong impression. Your headline should be brief summary of who you are and what you do, and should include keywords that are relevant to your industry. And now you can see that I am using different keywords, so different recruiters and different CEOs can find me. For example, I am using this keyword expert of LinkedIn automation tool. Just I am copying this, and for example, this is a CEO and he wants to search a person that are expert of LinkedIn automation tool. So I want to search. Just click on here and I am putting here keyword. And just click on people. And now you can see that my name is fourth number. And in this way, different CEOs and recruiters find the candidates with the help of headlines. So your headline should include the keywords so recruiters and different CEOs can find you easily. And how you can write your headline or how you can change your headline, you just need to click on this pencil. You need to click here. And just scroll down, and in this section you can write your headline. You also need to write here your keywords so recruiters and different CEOs can find you. And more scroll down, you can also write here your position. You can also select here your industry, education, location, and you can also put here your website. And when you put all these information, then just click on save. Step number 3, create a summary. Your summary is a great place to showcase your skills, experiences, and accomplishment in more detail. Use this space to tell your story, highlight your unique selling points, and explain what makes you the best candidate for the jobs. And now you can see that I am writing my LinkedIn summary. Now you can check this. And now this is also called about section. And here you need to write your all the accomplishment, all experiences. And how you can write this, just you need to click on this pencil. And from here you can write. And when you wrote all your information, all your education, all your experiences, all skills in shape of story, and then just click on save. Step number 4 is highlight your skill. Use keywords that are relevant to your industry and highlight any specific skill you have. This can help you appear in search results when potential employers or recruiters are looking for a candidate with a specific skills. And now you can see that here you need to write your skills. And now you can see that. How you can write your skill? Just you need to click on plus sign. And here you can write your skills. For example, I'm just writing here the forecasting. I'm just writing the skills, and here I need to select the experience. For example, I'm just selecting here. And you can also select the education according to your requirement, and then just click on save. And in this way you can also add more skills. Just click on add skills, and now you can add more skills. And you can also edit your skills. And now you can see that there is a 3 kind of skills: industry knowledge skills, tools and technology skills, and interpersonal skills. So if you want to delete, just click on this pencil, and from here you can delete your skills. Step number 5. Add relevant experience. Include your current and past job experiences. Headline your responsibilities, accomplishments. Make sure to list any promotion, awards, or other notable achievement that you have earned. So you just need to scroll down this page, and here you can add your experiences. You just need to click on plus sign and add position. And here you need to write a title and employment type and company name, location, and different things are available. So you can write here and you can add your experience in your LinkedIn profile. Step number 6 is include education and certification. List any degrees or certification you have earned and the institution where you have earned them. This can help you stand out to the potential employers and demonstrate your education. And now I will tell you how you can add your education section. This is the experience section, and from here you can add your education. You just need to click on plus sign, and here you can write your education. You can write your school name, degree name, field of study, start of degree, end of degree, your grade, and activities and societies you can write here. And after written this, you can just need to click on save, so you can save your education. Step number 7, include feature function in your LinkedIn profile. And now you can see that I am adding here my certificates, my client's review, my portfolio of the work. So you can also add feature function so it looks your profile more professional. You just need to click on plus sign, and here you can add your photo, here you can add your newsletters, here you can add your articles, here you can add here your videos or any media you can add here. So it's look more professional when you use your portfolio, your pictures, your work experiences, and your certification, your videos, and then your profile looks more professional. So in this way you can add feature function in your LinkedIn profile. Step number 8, keep it to update regularly updating your profile with new information, experiences and skills. And this will help you to relevant up to date. This can also help you appear in more search results and increase your visibility on this platform. And you can also include more headings. You can also include your experiences. You need to update your LinkedIn profile. Step number 9, get endorsement and recommendation. Ask your colleagues and other professionals in your network to endorse your skills and write recommendation for you. This endorsement and recommendation can help you stand out and demonstrate your credibility to potential employers. In this way, you can gain the trust of your potential clients. And now I will tell you how you can endorse skills. And now you can see that these are my skills, and if I open my friends or colleagues, and then I will show you how you can endorse skills. And for example, this is my client's client, and now if I want to endorse some skills, and now you can see that from here you can endorse skills, and you can ask your colleagues and your friend, in return they will endorse your profile. Now I will tell you how you can get the recommendation. Just scroll down and just click on plus sign, so you can get recommendation from your old clients. So in this way you can gain the trust of your potential client. You just need to click on plus sign and ask for recommendation, give recommendation. If you need to ask for recommendation, just click on ask for recommendation, and if you want to give recommendation, then just click on give recommendation. Step number 10, be active on LinkedIn. Share updates, articles and other content that are relevant to your industry to show that you are engaged and knowledgeable. This can also help you build your online presence and connect with other industry leaders. And for example, now you can see that I am using different promotional posts from different companies, and now you can see that, and using different proper hashtags, and now you can see that. Always try to use 2 or 3 hashtags or maximum 5 hashtags, not more than this. And now you can see the engagements on my post, and now you can see that more than 50,000 because I am using proper hashtags. And now you can see that. You can see my post, and I am just using the 3 or 4 hashtags, and now you can see that proper hashtag with relevant to content, and now you can see that I am getting the engagements more than 60,000. And step number 11, edit your LinkedIn profile URL. So you just need to click on edit public profile URL, and from here you can change your LinkedIn profile URL. Step number 12, on your creator mode. And now you can see that this is a creator mode, and you can own your creator mode. So in this way people can find you. Here you need to write your topics. You can add here maximum 5 topics and just click on done. And now you can see that this is a creator mode. Let's talk about. So you can also add your creator mode. By following these tips and tricks, you can optimize your LinkedIn profile and make the best impression possible. With a polished and professional profile, you can increase your visibility, attract more employers, clients, or partners. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.